Hello, I hope you're all okay. So today I've been asked to give you a task, and that task is for a research project. So in the post I have received this, which is one ticket to space. I've been allowed to go to space on a holiday. Not forever, just a short-term little break into space. I was supposed to go to Spain, but unfortunately aeroplanes are not going at the moment. So they've said I can go into space instead. I've got some questions though, because I've never been into space before, and I'm hoping that you guys can help me out. First things first. Spaceships. How do they work? Because I've got no idea. Never been in one before, and I'm sure most of you haven't either. However, I know you guys are quite good researchers, so you should be able to find me some information. Things like, what are the different parts of a spaceship? When it goes up into space, I've heard it comes apart, so can you find out the different bits that fall off? Because if it's one that I'm in, I need to make sure I am out of that spot. Do I get a bed? Do I get bunk beds? How do I go to the bathroom on a spaceship? These are questions that I have, and before I go I'd really like to know, because I'm a little bit scared. The second question I have is, what planet should I go to? Because obviously I want to have a nice time, so I don't want to go on one that's too hot. I don't want to go to the sun, and I know that some of them are quite cold, but I don't know which one's probably the best one to go to. There's lots of them out there in our solar system, and I don't want to go too far because some of them can take quite a while to go to. So if you could find one that isn't too far away and is quite nice to be on, because all planets have an atmosphere, I know that, but which planet has the closest atmosphere to Earth? The third thing I'd like you to look into is, when the spaceship launches, what happens? How do they get that massive spaceship into space? Because sometimes if I pick up something heavy and I try to throw it, it doesn't go far. And this spaceship is like so much bigger, and I don't understand how it goes into space. What do they do? Do they do the countdown, which goes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off? Or does something else happen? Have a look into that for me as well and let me know, so I know exactly what I'm in for. And lastly, I've heard that astronauts have to pack light, and they're only allowed a certain amount of items when I go and pack. So my question to you is, what should I pack? What do other astronauts go and bring? And for the planet that I'm going to, that you decide on, what should I bring with me? Do I need a coat? Do I need a swimming costume, a towel? Is there sunbeds? I need you to look into it for me so I know exactly what to be expecting. So if you guys can help me out. So the four questions again are: number one, what are the different parts of a spaceship? Number two, what planet should I go to? Number three, what happens when a spaceship launches? And number four, what do other astronauts go and pack? What are they allowed on board? And what should I bring for my holiday in space? So if you could look into that for me, let me know, send me an email, get your parents to email me, or your class teachers, and they will send it across to me. Good luck with the research. Hopefully you come up with some amazing ideas. So I'll speak to you again soon. See you later.